Phylum Nematoda. Ask helminthes, also called body cavity and one-way gut and tube within a tube animals. General characters: the body of a nematode is circular in cross section, hence the name called nematoda. They may be free living or parasitic on plants and animals, aquatic or terrestrial. Roundworms have organ system level of organization. They are bilaterally symmetrical, triploblastic and pseudocoelomate animals. Body is unsegmented and covered by a transparent, tough and protective collagenous cuticle. In some, the epiderm is syncytial. Alimentary canal is complete with a mouth and well developed muscular pharynx and anus. Excretory system consists of renate gland and ducts. Nervous system consists of a circumentric nerve ring with ganglia and nerves. Sense organs are amphids and phasmids occur. Sexes are separate. They exhibit sexual dimorphism, often female or longer and larger than males. Males have curved posterior end and a cloacal aperture and one or two copulatory spicules. Fertilization is internal. Majority are oviparous. A few are ovoviviparous and development may be direct or indirect. Growth into adult forms involves typically 4 moltings in the larval or juvenile stages. The young ones resembles the adult called juveniles. Example: Ascaris, Wuchereria, Ankylostoma. These are the general characters of nematoda. So tube within a tube structure animals. Okay, thank you.